Hi, this is Saul. Welcome to my weekly blog. Dental implants enjoy a high survival rate as a natural tooth replacement option. However, as always in this life, failures do occur. Implant complications can be roughly categorized into two main sections, late and early failure. Early failure occurs prior to the insertion of the abutment in the crown complex, while late failure happens after the dental implant screw fixture have been loaded. A late failure can be further subcategorized into two sections, biological and mechanical complications. Biological complications involve bacteria-induced problems that result in a damage to the soft and hard tissues surrounding the implant. Mechanical complications, from the other side, include damage to the prosthetic components of implant screw due to occlusal trauma or fatigue of the material. These complications are fractures of the implant fixture, abutment, crown, fixation, screw body. The literature suggests that the screw loosening and fraction have the highest prevalence over the other prosthetic complications. Over the 10 years period, it could be as high as 45%. Unfortunately, after the screw fraction occurs, it could be really challenging to remove it from the implant chamber. Today, I would like to briefly describe the three main ways of doing that. First is using the common dental tools. Dental forceps, excavators, cavitrons, explorers can be used, but all this is useful only when the fraction occurs in the coronal third of the implant. When it's deeper, we could go more aggressive and using the high-speed turbine with the diamond bore trying to drill it through. Most chances this way will also damage the implant from inside, so the replacement of the prosthetics might be a problem. The third way is using the implant screw remover kit. Let's review the FSR implant and screw removal kit, equipped with necessary tools for any failure scenario. It is used to remove both failed implants and broken prosthetic screws in simple and safe way. No platform is a failure safe. That's why you could find the guides for all popular platforms of the market, like Brandman's, Trauman, Nobel Active, DSI, MIS, Alpha Bio, Nobel Biocare, and more Korean brands like Ostem or Megagen. Let's take this smart implant to simulate the failure case with a broken screw inside. As you know, the platform is internal flat hex, so you should choose the TSV guide option. Every guide has the O-ring, so it will fit the guide positioner. We will insert it inside the implant and use the first drill. In this case, we've chosen the remover drill 1.3. We'll put it in a counterclockwise direction below 25 RPM. It has very special ending that acts like a claw. It grabs the fractured screw and pulls it outside. If the remaining part of the screw is thick enough, it should be enough to grab and pull it from the implant. In case it doesn't work, we will move to the next drill, which is 1.3, a reverse drill in a black color. As you can see, it's much more aggressive and made from hard carbide. It will drill a tiny hole inside the remainder of the screw, and then we will be able to grab it and remove with the next drill that I will show you later. And here it is, the tap drill. It has the tapered ending with the micro threads. Yes, let me show you. And those threads will help it while it goes inside the pre-drill hole that we made in the fixture screw in the counterclockwise direction below 50 RPM to remove it. Now this kit, called universal for the reason. If what you need to remove is the fixture itself, it's also possible. From the right side, you will see the fixture removing drills that works in the same counterclockwise direction that will help you to remove the implant in automatical way. It could be done by hand, using the motor mount under 50 RPM, or if you prefer to apply the torque and achieve the cold welding phenomenon, use the ratchet torque. As the added bonus, you could find the flat tip adapter, which is especially good for the cover screw removing. You may want to make a small ditch with the reverse black drill and then use this flat tip adapter. A must-have kit for any dental clinic.